Okay guys, this is my We the People reason. Got it about a year now. It's pretty banged up. I'll start up at the front. Here we got stock handlebars, spray painted green, Shadow Conspiracy, 13 grips purple, and the bar ends I've got Odyssey bar ends, and stem I've got Salt stem, spray painted white. It's a pretty bad job. And down to the front tyre I have a Maxxis Trio tyre and a stolen revolver rim, salt hub, salt spokes, and forks are just stock on the We the People reason, and same with the frame, and same with the cranks in teal, and E-clap pedals, pretty mucky and wet, and chain, salt, stock chain, and seat. I have a blank seat, green, matched the theme of my bike, and back tyre I have a Kenda. Don't know what the name of it is, but it's Kenda. And the rim is Alienation Black Sheep. Spokes are salt stock, just spray painted blue, and salt hub 9.2 cassette. And yeah, that's my bike.